Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to wallet from Revolut. So to transfer a crypto from Revolut to any wallet, what you want to do is just click on the crypto tab on the top right, and then you want to click on your crypto that you have in your account. So in this case, I have Ethereum. Now, once you click on Ethereum, here, what you want to do is just click on send. And once you click on send, you're going to have two options. So number one is you can send it to an existing friend just inside of Revolut. Or additionally, you can click on wallets and then you can click on add a crypto recipient here. Now it's going to ask you to type your other crypto address, and you can click on the QR code here and you can scan it, and you will also need to enter the wallet name. And once you fill up the information, you can continue, and this is how you can send crypto to any wallet from Revolut. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!